how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So if you are the type of person who likes to keep your iPhone usually in just silent mode, but since you do not want to miss out on calls and notifications, you still want it to vibrate and it is not vibrating. So to fix this, simply open up settings. Once you open up settings on your iPhone, scroll down, go to the option that says Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. Then from there, go to the option called Haptics. Now here you can see, you can either set this to always play or play in silent mode. Now when you actually select do not play in silent mode, then in that case you will not receive vibration or haptics in this case. So when you select play in silent mode, haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert even when you're in silent mode. Or you can also set this to always play. Haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert, but you can select play in silent mode. So this way you can make your iPhone vibrate even when you're on the silent mode. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.